we'll do a couple of warm-up intros just to, you know, for the fans. What's going on, everybody? This is Jon Lall here, and I am bringing you my very first unboxing video. With a first, you gotta go big. So I'm thinking a big sneaker. And if it's a big sneaker, then it's probably gotta come in a big box. That's a big box. What kind of sneaker comes in a box this big? Usually it's like 3 or 4 sneakers, but I promise you it is just one. And it is one very deserving of a box this big. With a big box, you kind of need a big knife to open it up. So this hopefully will do the trick. Let's get started. If I don't have a hand at the end of this video, you'll know why. Ha! Oh, ha! That's not working. I don't know if you could tell from where you were, but the tape says just do it. So clearly we know where this is from. All right, I dig this. First of all, just gonna, okay. Here we go. Let's pop this open, see what we got. Okay, first thing we got when we open it up, oh, this is a nice bag. This is a nice bag. Now, I don't know if you can see it up close, but inside the bag it says Air Fear of God. So yeah, if you didn't know, now you know. This is going to be the Air Fear of God 1 in the Triple Black Colorway. And the shoe itself is wrapped in this kind of silver paper. That's slick. I feel the power. That is, wow. Okay, I'm gonna take the other one out and then we'll talk about it. Here it is. I gotta tell you, I've been waiting for this shoe for a long time. There's been several versions of it so far. The Nike Air Fear of God 1 is hard to get in general, so if you can get your hands on any colorway, it's great. I didn't have to pay an arm and a leg for this on StockX or GOAT. I was lucky enough to win on the sneakers app, so that felt good. Every single one of you knows what it's like. You go on the sneakers app, you get L after L after L after L after L. You can't win! And finally you get a W on a very dope sneaker that you've been wanting. It's like, ah. And I gotta tell you, in person, it looks amazing. It's funny, a lot of people were saying there are glue marks all over theirs. I'm not particularly seeing a ton of glue marks on mine, like very few. Let me point out just a couple of things I really like immediately. This nubuck leather on the toe box is super smooth, looks great. This is like I don't know, it kind of feels like a vulcanized rubber. That looks really cool. So it says Air Fear of God, and the tag that is listed there is actually the designer Jerry Lorenzo's grandfather's army tag. So that's a really cool and unique thing to put on there, paying respect to his grandfather. On the back, Fear of God embossed there, the Nike swoosh and logo there. My favorite thing by far on all of the Air 1 Fear of Gods is this TPU cage. It's like a triangular cage around the shoe. I love that. I just think that's such a unique design. Jerry Lorenzo, the designer, is one of the first people to get to design his own shoe for Nike. Most people come in and are either changing a colorway or redesigning. This is actually his design from scratch, which is very, very cool. There's a Nike Air Zoom unit in the bottom, which I'm sure is going to make this a really comfortable shoe. I'm digging this mesh upper. I think it looks really, really cool. Kind of gives it almost an army look. Rope laces. I dig rope laces. We got a nylon strip up the tongue here. The zipper in the back. Now, yeah, people were saying that the zipper's a little bit tough, and I can tell you, yeah, it is. So I think you'll need to be careful like opening it and closing it, but I don't know, it's not that bad. There's a little tongue in the back too for like putting your foot in. It is a basketball shoe, so it's likely that it's meant to secure your ankle. Let's see what's in this package here. All right, let's just dump it out. So we got a few different lace locks here. I like these orange ones. I'd set off those laces really well. That's awesome. And then finally, a Air Fear of God tag. That could look cool for sure. I think I like the way that looks. And then also on the inside here, I'm just realizing we have an extra set of laces. So if you want to swap out the black laces for these, I wouldn't call them white, they're more like a cream lace color. steel rope laces. That could look really, really fresh. It really just depends on how you want to set it up. You could do the cream lace color with these peach lace locks. Whew, that might be really slick. Okay, so there you have it. That's our unboxing video. This was a cool experience. It was fun for me. I hope it was fun for you guys. If it was, make sure to do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video, click like, share it with friends, share it with family, share it with loved ones, share it with people you don't know. We will see you on the next unboxing video. Thanks a lot. Peace.
Say word.
Word.